Brad Williams, Excel Prime. In this session, we'll be discussing what if analysis. And you're asking, what if? Well, that's exactly what this is about. Performing spreadsheet what if analysis, understanding what if analysis. Do you really need it? This will help you decide. Excel what if analysis for beginners, how to pull off a what if analysis, how to build an Excel data table, how to create a 2-input data table, and how to use Excel Scenario Manager. This whole what if thing is really about dynamic model building. In other words, dynamic is a word Excel uses to mean it automatically recalculates when you make changes to the data. What if is a great tool. It works for some people and it doesn't work for others, but I'm going to try to talk you into it. I want to just introduce the what if situations or scenarios. And what if really is what if? What if you're looking at a mortgage and you're saying, well, what if interest rates go up? Well, what if I pay a higher down payment? What if I change the loan terms from 30 years to 15 years? Those are all what if situations. And I'm going to pose a couple of scenarios to you, and then we'll build from there. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks for watching.